Xiaomi 16 Ultra to debut with OmniVision OV50X, replacing Sony's 1-inch sensor, and this marks one of the most dramatic shifts in Xiaomi's flagship Ultra lineup as the company prepares to redefine smartphone photography, with its upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite 2-powered beast expected to launch early next year, because according to multiple sources, the Xiaomi 16 Ultra will for the very first time feature OmniVision's 50MP OV50X as its main sensor, moving away from Sony's traditional dominance in Xiaomi's Ultra series. And this is a huge deal since the Xiaomi 15 Ultra relied on Sony's LYD900 CMOS, a 1-inch powerhouse. But now the move to OmniVision signals a bold new direction and a calculated strategy to diversify imaging technology while pushing performance boundaries. And the OV50X, which was officially unveiled in April this year, is no ordinary sensor as it brings a massive 1.6 micron pixel size for improved light capture, single exposure HDR reaching nearly 110 dB for stunning contrast, and advanced 4-in-1 pixel binning to ensure brighter, sharper, and more detailed images across different lighting conditions, while also supporting groundbreaking 8K video recording and ultra-fast 180 frames per second high-speed shooting that will appeal to professional creators and mobile filmmakers alike. And the sensor further introduces dual analog gain HDR and in-sensor zoom technology that eliminates quality drops when zooming, which will give the Xiaomi 16 Ultra a competitive edge over rivals. And to top it off, OmniVision's OV50X is equipped with 100% quad phase detection coverage, meaning autofocus accuracy will be dramatically enhanced, ensuring sharper, quicker, and more reliable captures even in fast-moving or challenging environments, making the sensor a true game-changer in the mobile photography space. And alongside this new OmniVision sensor, there are whispers that other Ultra flagships in Xiaomi's lineup might experiment with different configurations, such as the upcoming Sony 200MP IMX09E and OmniVision's OV50R, although details about the latter remain scarce, which shows that Xiaomi is actively exploring diversification and is no longer fully dependent on Sony's 1-inch solutions, a move that underscores the company's ambition to disrupt Sony's long-standing dominance in flagship smartphone cameras. And this transition could reshape the competitive landscape because Xiaomi's decision to equip its most premium Ultra flagship with the OV50X will likely influence other brands to reconsider their reliance on Sony, especially when OmniVision is stepping up as a strong alternative with innovative features that rival or even surpass Sony's offerings in certain areas. And this isn't just about hardware. It's about Xiaomi signaling to the industry that it is ready to take risks and innovate with bold choices. Because pairing the OV50X with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2's raw processing power and advanced ISP capabilities could unleash new levels of mobile imaging performance that set benchmarks for 2025 flagships. And considering Xiaomi's track record of pushing boundaries with the Ultra series, from massive sensors to advanced computational photography, the 16 Ultra has all the makings of a true camera monster. And fans are already buzzing with excitement at the thought of Xiaomi finally offering something that is not only different, but potentially superior to its rivals. And with features like 8K recording, 180 frames per second slow motion, HDR that reaches nearly professional grade levels, and supercharged autofocus, the Xiaomi 16 Ultra is poised to be a dream device for photography lovers, videographers, and tech enthusiasts alike, while also sending a clear message to the competition that Xiaomi is here to lead, not follow. And this bold move could also set the tone for a wider adoption of OmniVision sensors across the industry, as brands begin to experiment with alternatives that could challenge Sony's hegemony in the flagship space. And as we approach the expected launch window, anticipation continues to build, because it's not just another Ultra phone. It's a flagship that redefines expectations and signals a new era of innovation. And when the Xiaomi 16 Ultra officially debuts with the OmniVision OV50X, either be remembered as a phone that broke Sony's dominance or as a device that proved Xiaomi's fearless commitment to experimentation. Either way, this launch will be one of the most important moments in smartphone photography in 2025, and we will be covering every update, leak, and official announcement right here on TechVerse.